Hey everybody, my name is Samery Moras, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for POOMSAE TAEGUK Jang. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you can be part of our Taekwondo YouTube family. I post a lot of POOMSAE, sparring, kicking tutorials, so if you guys are ready to learn some more Taekwondo, this is the place to be. Keep in mind that I am more of a sparring athlete rather than POOMSAE, but I wanted to film this video to help anybody who's trying to learn the steps or first just wanting to get some extra practice. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, now we're going to go through it step by step. Step 1, you're going to turn to your left and step forward into the left foot forward back stance with your hands doing a double knife hand middle block. Step forward into a front stance and do a right spear hand thrust supported at the elbow by your left knife hand. Turn all the way to the other side and repeat the same steps. Now you're going to turn towards the front with your left foot forward. Your left hand is going to be doing an open hand high block while your right hand does a neck height knife hand. Next, do a right foot front kick, land in a front stance with your right foot forward. Your left hand will be doing a punch. Next, you're going to be doing two side kicks, first with your left foot, then to your right foot. Land in a back stance with your right foot forward, a rightward double knife hand block. Next, you're going to pivot all the way around with your right foot staying on the ground. You're going to turn to your back so that your left foot is forward in a back stance. With your left hand, you're going to be performing an outside block. Your right foot is going to do a front snap kick, re-chamber, and put the foot right back in its place in the back stance, keeping your left foot forward. Your right hand will be doing an inside block. Turn to your right and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Your right hand's going to do an outside block with your right foot forward doing a back stance. Then your left foot does a front snap kick, re-chamber, back to its spot, keeping your right foot forward in the back stance, and your left hand does an inside block. Now we're going to turn to the back and do a left foot forward front stance with your left hand performing an open hand high block and your right hand doing a neck strike. Next step, your right foot's going to do a front snap kick, land in a right foot forward front stance, and your right hand is going to do a back fist to your opponent's nose. Next, you're going to turn to your left side and move your left foot into a left foot forward walking stance, while your left hand does an inside block and a right hand punch. Turn to your right and do the same thing on the other side. Right foot forward walking stance, right hand middle block, left hand punch. You're going to turn to the back towards your left, left hand inside block, and a left foot forward front stance, double punch. Step forward into a right foot forward front stance, right hand does an inside block, and double punch again. Key up. Return to Jumbi. Okay, now we're going to do one more view from the back so you can follow along. Guys, I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I will be sure to answer them. If you have any suggestions on videos that you want to see, or if you want to keep seeing more POOMSAE tutorials, please just let me know in the comments below and I will see you guys on next time. Bye guys!